guys. I will harvest some of my ampalaya here at the back of my house, guys. Look at this. See, I got plenty. This one here. There you go. See, look that. Oh, see, guys. Oh, ano ako, guys, mag-harvest. Ang dami ko ampalaya, guys. See, and here's some ampalaya. See, look, guys. Jeremy. Oh, Jeremy. Biko, don't take that one. Okay. I have this one, guys. And I will put this one because my dog. Yeah, I got the big one there. Here's the big one, guys. Look. Look.